Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Google Maps detailed voice guidance when walking. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Google Maps and then you want to select your profile icon on the top right and then go to settings near the bottom. Once you're on here, scroll down until you come to navigation settings. You want to click on that and then again scroll down, and then right at the bottom you should come to walking options, and then at the bottom it should say detailed voice guidance. So this just means hear more frequent and detailed audio announcements during walking navigation. So all you have to do is toggle that on and that will be enabled for you. Thanks for watching.